Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to apply hair mousse for fantastic results. First, ensure your hair is freshly washed and damp, not soaking wet. Gently towel dry your hair until it's about 60% dry. This helps the mousse distribute evenly. Next, choose a mousse that suits your hair type, whether you desire volume, curl definition, or a strong hold. This initial preparation is key to achieving your desired style. Now, let's get to the application. Dispense a small amount of mousse, roughly the size of a golf ball, into your palm. For longer or thicker hair, you might need a bit more. Gently work the product through your hair, starting from the roots and moving towards the ends. Make sure to distribute it evenly. Using a wide-tooth comb can help ensure every strand is coated, providing consistent hold and definition. Once the mousse is applied, it's time to style. If you have waves or curls, gently scrunch your hair upwards to encourage their natural formation. For an extra boost of volume, try flipping your head upside down while scrunching. Then, use a blow dryer with a diffuser attachment on a low heat setting. This helps to dry your hair gently, locking in the style and preventing frizz, giving you beautiful, lasting results. To finish, remember to avoid touching your hair too much while it dries. This helps prevent frizz and maintains your style's integrity. If you desire an even stronger hold, a light mist of hairspray can be applied once your hair is completely dry. Mousse is also fantastic for refreshing your hair on the second day, adding back bounce and definition. Enjoy your beautifully styled hair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.